My name is Jake Miller. I'm with Heirloom Rustic Ales, and this is the Tulsa World Beer of the Week. Here we have Drone Witch, which is an IPA. We make this beer once, maybe twice a year. What kind of makes it stand out is the color. We use this flower called butterfly pea, and it's from Thailand. And depending on the pH of the beer, it actually will change the color of the beer. And depending on the pH, it can be a ton of different colors. And then depending on where you put it in the beer process, it can also change the color based on that. So what we've found over time is that we really like this kind of, I call it the Mystic Mustang look, which is this, can be 5 colors depending on the way the light's hitting it and where you're standing. And it's taken us a while to figure out exactly how to do that, how much and when and all those things. So this IPA has taken kind of like a lot of work and has been a brainchild since we opened, really. But then the IPA part is we dry hop it with Strata and Simcoe, which I love those 2 hops in harmony together. You get a lot of that really insane tropical fuzzy fruit vibe that everybody's looking for now, but then you also get it kind of the old school piney dank, which is, it's from Simcoe, which is my favorite American hop. And so really fun IPA. There's hardly any left, so get here this weekend if you really want to try this, and come by and have it with a Dante's pizza. Couldn't be better pairing. So tomorrow on Tuesday, we'll actually have a blackout poetry, which if you haven't done this before, it's a lot of fun. You're basically given a page from a random book, and you go through with a Sharpie and black out words that you don't want to use, and then the poetry is just the words that are left. And it's really challenging, but it's also really, it's easy to get started. It's challenging to put together a really cool poem, but it's a really fun activity. And we're doing that with Witty Books tomorrow on Tuesday. So this is the What the Ale Beer of the Week.